We have with us Mr. Abhishek Mehta. He is the managing director of Urban Tree Home. He is one of the founder members of Urban Tree along with Mr. Abhinay Mehta. He is the third generation entrepreneur of the renowned 60-year young SSM group, SS Mehta group, which is a strategically branched out multi-activity conglomerate with diversified business not only in real estate. They started with chemical trading and distribution, imports of chemicals, warehousing, real estate and property development. After a thorough training in the various verticals of family business, in 2009, they ventured into the residential real estate arena. The two directors, both Abhishek and Abhinay, in their individual capacity, they have built and executed commercial and residential projects. Put together 6,25,000 lakh, 6.25 lakh square feet over the last 7 years before starting off Urban Tree in 2010. And through Urban Tree, they have completed and delivered, as of 1st January 2017, four projects of 650 residential units aggregating 6,81,000 square feet. Well, that deserves a very big round of appreciation, Mr. Abhishek Mehta. Maybe we have to visit his website. Very colorful and very, what do you say, the very customer-friendly website. It is urbantreehomes.com. Over to Mr. Abhishek.
Introduction, colorful, yes, thank you. I always like color in life. But taking the cue to the new book release, all sectors, specifically if you see very recently was this, I think about 2 days back about Hallmark, where in the real estate sector itself, there was a company which is going through troubled times. I'm a very firm believer that everybody deserves a second chance in life. Well, in this case, it's the company which deserves a second chance in life, and how it can flow from the original, I mean, the impending crisis to how it can change and metamorphose itself into a new angel is all about. The entire structuring of the bankruptcy code itself. The entire intent, if I were to put it into from a promoter's angle, is not merely to pay off the debtors or something, but to restructure the entire business plan into a plan which is more succeeding, which we have very clearly seen in another case where the company was taken over by the Tatas and now is performing pretty well. So the entire business plan itself has to change, right from the metamorphosis of the business itself. This is what, according to a promoter, according to a company, is what I would see the plan itself of bankruptcy code. And here, when we have a very specific flowchart, see, all of us are engineered towards understanding, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And when it becomes so very easy, it becomes easier to implement, easier to understand first and then implement. And for all those people lurking in the dark as to how my next scenario is going to be, I think this is a book to must read. So big thank you to you, Dhanapal sir, and looking forward to the edition 3. Thank you.
That was nice of Mr. Abhishek. Mr. Abhishek was mentioning about Hallmark living infrastructure, which actually went for insolvency process, and today, after 270 days, it is in the liquidation process. And liquidator for that company is none other than our author CSS Dhanapal for that company. Actually, it's a coincidence.